Hello everyone and welcome to my channel FHD. So today we have Lenovo 300 FHD Webcam. This is a 1080p 30fps webcam. This webcam comes with inbuilt microphone and also with this privacy shutter. Currently this is the best 1080p budget webcam. Link for this webcam is in description, you can buy it from there. So let's test it. Okay, I mounted this on my monitor. This white light means webcam is connected to your PC and getting power. And this green light means that camera is in use. As you can see, field of view of this webcam is too much actually. I don't want to show my full room, but that's fine. This is in proper light. I turn on all lights in my room. Quality is okay. Not too much good. It's not like crystal clear. But for this price, it's okay. Now let's test it in low light. In low light, it's not that much good. You can see too much noise. So if you want to use this in low light, this is the result. I suggest better use proper light setup. Okay, let's test the microphone quality of this webcam. Okay, so this is test for audio quality of Lenovo 300 FHD webcam, inbuilt mic quality, and you can hear the sound from traffic. I know, sorry for that again, but this is the sound quality. This is without any filter, noise suppression or anything, raw mic quality. So this is your voice gonna sound with this webcam. So yes, I hope you like this quality, audio quality of this inbuilt microphone. And this is the result if you want to use it for game streaming. So yes, this is everything about this Lenovo 300 FHD 1080p 30fps webcam. Hope you like this video, so I request you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel FHD. And if you have any questions, just comment down and ask.
Gunshots. Something's up. Might have left something behind. No quiero saber cómo acaba esta historia.